Hey everybody, my name is Jeff. Welcome to the channel. If you've been here before, it's great to have you back. Today I want to show you this travel sling that I just got. Now I've done a few reviews recently of travel slings and several of them have been by this company tomtoc. I'm not sponsored by them, I just buy their stuff because I like it. This last one that I just received and that I'm about to unbox, I think is going to be my favorite for the simple reason that it's light in color and the inside of this thing is also light. And that may seem like a silly detail, but a lot of times when I'm going through my bags, especially if you're at the airport or in a plane, it's kind of hard to find things because it's so darn dark and we often don't have flashlights or things and things get lost in these bags. So I'm going to open this thing up. It's called a tomtoc. It's a sling. Tomtoc Compact Everyday Carry. Gym Sport Blue 4 liters. And on the bag it says, protect your digital gear. So let's just get started with this unbagging. And what you'll see right off the bat here, nice two-tone colors. You can buy these in all black. They have them in gray, they have them in all kinds of different patterns. But I got this nice light blue and it's dark blue here and it's got a white zipper. And what I'll just tell you right off the bat is there's a little zipper in the front here. So this would be a good place for you to put the things you need to get to really quickly. It's got a little cord here. It's like tough red nylon cord with a clip. So the logical choice here would be to attach your keys or anything you need to get to quickly and not have you lose these if they fall out. Okay. And then in the front you could also put your phone, or you could put just anything that you want to be able to put your hands on kind of quickly. I've got a tool here, a multi-tool, so that could go in the front pocket. And yeah, so anyways, that front pocket there, it's very nice. It's a really strong zipper and you can tuck the little tongue if you want inside the pocket so that when you pull this closed, it's kind of like invisible. You don't really see this front pocket. And that may or may not matter to you, but I just noticed when this came from Amazon and it was zipped closed, this is taking longer than it should. But you can zip this closed here and tuck. This is taking forever. So then you just zip it closed like this and you're all set to go. If you want, you can tuck the little tab in here and it will be almost invisible. How did they do that? How did they do that? They just close it like that? That's the strangest thing. Oh, maybe it was like this. Oh, I see. They zipped it closed and then the fabric around it just covers it. Oh, there you go. So what you can do is when you close this pouch like this, you can just tuck this little tab here underneath. And look at that, it's nice and neat. All right, main compartment here. This here is where the strap for this thing fits in, and it's capacious. As you can see, there's a lot of space in there. I will shine a light so you can see it a little bit better. There you go. A lot of space in there to put things, and I like that it is light in there. So I'm just going to put a few things in there so you can see how they'll fit. I'm going to leave the light in so you can see as I add things in here. I will put an eye mask. It's inside here. You'll take my word on it. There you go. Here's some sunglasses. So the sunglasses case fits right in there. I've got AirPods. There are numerous little compartments in here. And I'm just going to slide this into one of the little pockets in there. I've got some protein bars, little snack bars, whatever, if you're in the plane and you're traveling. So those are in there. I've got some hydration packets. These are just like little electrolyte packs. I'm going to toss those in there. And I'm just doing this to give you an idea of how much stuff can actually fit in this sling, okay? So there you go. And I could still add more stuff. In fact, I have some sunscreen here. I'll put the sunscreen bottle in there, little tube of it. And then you can just zip this up. So what I really like about these slings is that, okay, just pop this off. And this is the first time wearing this, so I'm going to have to lengthen the strap a little bit. Here we go. What's really nice, a little longer here, all right, is that you can just toss this over your shoulder like this. I lost my mic. There we go. Toss it over your shoulder, and it's out of the way. So now you have your hands free. So if you're in the airport and you're traveling through, you don't have to have your hands on this stuff. And then when you need to get to stuff like your phone or whatever, you've got it right here. The other thing I want to mention is for really important stuff, like, for example, I think this goes this way. There we go. For things like your passport or your money, there's another pocket, and this is the one, all right, so it's against your body like this. I'm just going to take this off so I can show you. It's the part here that's going to be against your body. So you unzip this one, and this is the one where you can take, I've got some cash here. I always like to have some cash when I travel. And that there can go right in this back pocket like that. Passport also goes right in there. And then you can zip this one closed. And so now when you're wearing this sling, the passport and the money is against you. So even if you move it to the back, there's really no way anybody is going to get to that because it's because it's against your back. So there's no way anyone's going to get to the important stuff because it's up against your back. And then when you bring it over here, it's also just really easy to get to because it's right here. So that's just about everything. I have a few other things, okay? I've got my business cards. I always bring those with me. Those can fit in here. And hey, I even have my cell phone. So the phone here kind of matches. How about that? Did not plan that, but I guess I do like blue. So I could just put that in this front pocket here, right here. I've got so much stuff in this front pocket that it's not fitting. So I'm just going to take out the multi-tool, slide in the phone. Now the phone is in there, and I'll just put the multi-tool in the main compartment because that's probably the best place for it anyway. Zip it closed. So this concludes our review of this tomtoc sling. It's pretty cool. It says on the tag, protect your digital gear, and I'd say it does a pretty darn good job of doing that. If you like this review, please subscribe to the channel because I make reviews on stuff like this all the time. I've been buying a lot of stuff because I'm traveling now a lot more. And I'm bringing my camera gear, my video gear, and my writing stuff with me. So if you're like me and you like to simplify things and you like to just make your things that you carry with you kind of more simple and easy, then I think you'll like some of the videos that I'm making today and tomorrow of stuff that I just bought on Amazon this week. So subscribe, and once you do that, please just type in the comment section, I subscribed, because I like to know when you guys subscribe, and that way I'll see your little username and your avatar, and I'll be able to, say hi and see you next time you come by the channel. So I'm really glad you watched. Thanks so much for stopping by, and I will see you in the next video.